Okay, let's talk about the spillover bonus. The spillover bonus also has different percentages depending on the level that you contributed at, and as you can see, it increases based on the level you contributed at. All right, so if you contributed on the first level, which is pre-gold, your spillover bonus percentage is 2%. On gold, 2%. If you came in at platinum, 3%. If you contributed on diamond, 4%, super diamond, 4%, royal, 5%, and then super rare, 6%. So let's see how the spillover bonus works. Okay, so you get spillover bonus when someone falls directly under you, whether you invited a person or not. Now remember Mr. John. Mr. John came in at level 3, so his spillover bonus is 3%. So that means if anybody falls under him directly, whether he invited the person or not, he's going to get an additional 3%, all right, of what he's gotten before. Since he was one who invited these two people, apart from the 12% he got in direct referral bonus, he gets an additional 3%, an additional 3%. But this only works if the person falls directly under you. Now, this one, the first scenario is if you are the one that invited the person. But what if you weren't the one who invited the person, but the person fell under you? Now, let's look at the case of Mr. Jude. Now, Mr. John can only have 2 people directly under him. So whoever it is that he registers again or invites again with on this his left side, the person will fall directly under this Mr. Jude. Okay, so that's how this structure works. All right. So your upline can be registering people and registering people, or somebody from your higher leg on top can be registering people without even your knowledge, and you that just came in, the person just fell under you directly. And what happens? You get that spillover bonus. Now, Mr. Chad, who was invited by Mr. John, has fallen under this Mr. Jude now. Okay, on this leg here, and he contributed 300k. What will happen is this: Mr. John will get the direct referral bonus of 3% on this amount of 12%, rather, direct referral bonus of 12% on this amount, but then Mr. Jude will get the 3%. Okay, now notice that Mr. Jude contributed on level 4, and if you check level 4, the spillover bonus for level 4 is 4%, not 3%. But since Mr. Jude was not the one that invited this Mr. Chad directly, he's going to get 3% of this because the spillover bonus is tied to the person, that invited that person. So Mr. John was the one that invited this person. So Mr. Jude will get 3% of this amount. Now Mr. Jude wasn't the one who invited him. Okay, so you can see the advantage here. Someone can just fall under you. You did not invite the person, but because the person is coming under your leg directly, you get that spillover bonus for free without doing any work. All right, so that's how the spillover bonus works. Now, if you notice here, Mr. Jude then invited Miss Terma. All right, he invited this person directly. Now he is going to get 4%. You can see he gets 4% of this amount that Miss Terma is contributing. Then he also gets his own direct referral bonus on this amount as well. So that's how the spillover bonus works.